Supercross hit the mainstream this weekend. From right there, you can see 791,000 views as of the time I'm recording this, and that's on Barstool. And well, it's all from the fight. It's if you missed this, this is what practice qualifying, and I'm gonna read this right from. This is Brendan Spangle's Instagram video. You're gonna see right here is also from him saying, "Quote: First off, I want to apologize to all my sponsors, friends, and fam. I'm not proud of the way I acted, and I let it get the best of me, and it would not happen again. All I had to do was make it through the two more corners, and none of this would have happened." So I'm perfectly fine with this. If you actually watch this, oh, there's more to read, but if you watch this lap, apparently both of them are on hot laps. The guy in front of him and him. And if you're on a hot lap and you're catching this guy, what are you going to do? Slow down and just you know, let him continue his slower pace? No. But he continues on to say, second, I wanted to post a whole lap of what actually happened went down since Dirt Bike Lover MX posted some entirely wrong story. A short rundown. I caught him while on my hot lap, and from what I heard, he was on his hot lap, which I totally understand his frustration. I ended up going triple into the turn, and he didn't. I gave him a little rev in the air to let him know I was there, and I took the lowest line I could to see in the turn and made zero contact. There were claims that I hit him. Then I go 2-3 into the inside, which everyone and their mom knows was the main line during qualifying. I then was T-boned on up the inside. I didn't go down, and then I tried to finish my lap, and I was T-boned up the face of the double, and that's where you see my bike laying at the top of the landing in other videos. My bike shot out from underneath me, and I ended up going over the back of his bike, landing on my back on his rear tire and sprocket. The rest is history. Then I failed post practice sound taking away my lap, and I was DQ'd. I'm a boxer, not a wrestler. Blah 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 blah. You gotta say, if it's him, I'm perfectly fine with what he did. Like, if you're on your hot lap, I mean, granted, if both people are on hot laps and you're catching somebody, he'd made absolutely no contact with the guy in front of him. You can see it on video. He took a different line. Sure, it's close, but he didn't T-bone, didn't push him out off wide, didn't push him up the berm, didn't, nothing. Not even rubbing his racing. Just whatever. Perfectly fine with it. If you're also on a hot lap and you're catching somebody, you have to run your own pace. You have to be able to pass that person. Like, the guy in front of you does not have the free reign to run the speed that he wants to and slow everybody else up. So for him to have made that pass perfectly clean, fine, whatever. And then for the person, I don't even know who the other rider was. So somebody comment down below, tell me what you think, or tell me what you know. Um, to get mad at him and like T-bone him twice, and then have this fight, it's to me stupid. Like, it's funny, it's stupid in a funny way of like, you watch this and this is the thing that goes viral, or this is the thing that goes mainstream, not the actual racing, not who won, just the crash in the little 30-second like wrestling match. But I don't know. You guys tell me, what do you think of this? Who do you think's in the wrong, right? Do you know either of these people? Whatever. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.